Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be doing these braids on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair the day before and did some plaits so my hair could be stretched. I'm gonna be doing these braids in two sections because I'm gonna be laying my wig doing a middle part. So the parting doesn't have to be perfect because your braids are gonna be under the wigs. Nobody gonna be seeing those braids, girl. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm gonna be using the ORS olive oil moisturizing hair lotion and also the Aunt Jackie's soft all over multi-purpose oil to moisturize my hair, because in a couple weeks from now when you unravel these braids, you don't want to have dry brittle hair, so you want to make sure your hair is moisturized under this wig. To make sure the products are distributed throughout my hair, I'm going to be combing through my hair with a wide teeth comb, making sure every strand get moisturized and nothing gets left out. Okay, so to start the braid, we're going to be dividing the hair into 3 pieces. Well, me, because I'm the one doing my hair. Anyways, 3 pieces. This clip right here is gonna be in real time. I'm gonna be slowing this down so you guys see how I braid my hair, because this is self-explanatory. So just watch and see how I do this braid. While doing this braid, just make sure you are not pulling too tight on your hair to cause any friction or breakage. Just take your time and braid, not too tight. As I'm plaiting the ends, I'm gonna be combing the ends through with a comb to avoid any knots or tangles. Then just give the ends a little swirl just to get that little curl, you know. Anyways, we're gonna be starting on the next braid. I'm gonna be doing this not exactly in real time, but just a tad bit faster, but it's gonna be up close and you'll see how I braid. I've always wanted to do that, but before I complete these braids, I'm gonna be showing you one more time how I braid. So this is another up close. Now I'm done with the braids. I did 10 braids, 5 on each side, and this is it. Let me know how I did on these braids. I know the parting is not perfect. Like I said, it won't be showing, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And yes, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wild Growth hair oil to oil my scalp, because this oil right here helps promote hair growth. It helps with hair growth for my hair, and I've seen a lot of good reviews. I've been using this for a couple years now, and it does work. So it's good to oil the scalp just to avoid dry scalp while you're wearing your wigs. So this is very good to use. Don't forget your edges. That's the main part. Those are very important. And also the kitchen area, don't forget that too. You have to, yes, oil everywhere. So as you can see, the wig is not laid on my head as yet. I just sat it on top of my head for you guys to see that the wig is flat with the braids that I just did. The smaller the braids, the flatter your wigs will be. So in part 2, the next video, I'll show you guys how I laid this wig. I couldn't fit everything into one video, so look out for that in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned for part 2. Bye.